All right, guys, it's been 3 years, a lot of memories, a lot of fun times out here at the farm. I have done a ton of work out here. So today I want to break down how much it's cost me to make this the metal building of my dreams. So first things first, getting this building installed 3 years ago. You're talking the peak of COVID, right? Supply chain shortages, getting garage doors, walk-in doors, windows. It was all a pain in the rear. So building delivered, installed, certified here was $87,000 with no discounts. So that did not include garage doors, walk-in doors, windows. I'm gonna go over those price breakdowns here shortly. That included delivery and setup of the metal building on my level concrete pad. It included vertical framework. It included the certification of 170-mile-an-hour wind speeds. So essentially every state and location is gonna need a different wind speed. It's also gonna need a different snow load and possibly a different seismic load. So those are cost variations in your overall installed and delivered metal building. So the garage doors, obviously were not included in the price. So we have a 14 by 14. I paid $9,691.20. That is for a wind certified 170-mile-an-hour garage door. On the back, I have a 10 by 8 garage door. These are both electric garage doors, both wind certified. They have wood grain on the front. So that garage door cost me $38.45. Along with 12 windows. 12 windows are gonna run you right around $300 each. So you figure $3,600 in windows. On this building right here, I also did 2 walk-in doors at $300 each. I installed those myself. So we have a building right now, but we don't have concrete. Concrete here in Florida, what we required is basically a 1-foot footer around the perimeter of the whole entire building. We did rebar around the whole entire thing, and we did that nice rat ledge. So starting out, this concrete pad cost me $25,000, but I told them that the ground looked really level, and so it took them a whole day to get the actual foundation level ready for the concrete slab. So the total actual cost at the end of the day was $31,700 for a 4,200 square foot concrete pad. Cost of engineering or getting permits. So I actually am agriculturally exempt here in Florida. So cost of permits were $0, but in certain areas, they can be up to $5,000. So touching on the concrete floor, I wanted to make this the best concrete foundation possible. So I actually went with what's called a polyaspartic coated floor, and that was essentially done all inside the metal building besides the outside lean-to and the other outside lean-to. So it was 3,600 square feet of polyaspartic, and that ran me right at $15,000. So keeping this building climate controlled, I decided to go with what's called a 2-inch closed cell spray foam. Went around the whole entire building. They actually charge for the surface area that they install on. That total price for the spray foam was right at $14,800. And then what they did on the spray foam was they painted the whole entire spray foam area. It's not the best looking. They painted it black. So it looks really nice in here. And that was an extra $4,000 to paint the whole entire building black. And as you guys can see right here, we did a loft area. It is 15 foot deep, 40 foot wide. We also did a finished wall along this side right here with nice metal panels. That right there was $10,500 in material and then $5,000 in labor to get that all done. Another thing that we're doing that's still a work in progress is getting all the lighting done inside this barn right now. What we did was Amazon LED lights. They do the trick, but not the best. It's still a little dim in here. So all the Amazon lights ran me at $400. Along with that lighting, we did electricity before. That electricity, we actually had to run from the main road to a new telephone pole that they installed for us. That telephone pole ran to our box right here on our metal building. For them to run to the box was $3,200. And then we ran electric throughout the whole entire building. I have a lot of outlets. We have them in the race room, along this whole entire wall right here. To run electric inside this whole entire barn, I paid $4,800. So guys, just wanted to give you a full breakdown of what it costs to build my dream building. Obviously here at Big Buildings Direct, we build anything small, medium to huge like this. We can fit anybody's budget and make your dreams happen just like mine did. Just wanted to show you guys kind of the total cost to build my dream building and give you guys a good idea of a full breakdown of a metal building project. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment below. We'll be happy to answer them for you. This is Tony here with BigBuildingsDirect.com, here to give you the information you need so that you can get the metal building of your dreams.